Hello and welcome to We Are Fin, and a man with me now who needs no introduction, but I will do anyway. Tim Peake, welcome to We Are Fin. How are you?
I'm great, thanks very much. Enjoying the Farnborough Air Show this year.
It's fantastic. It's good to see people face to face again, isn't it? And you really enjoyed yourself this afternoon in the Space Theatre here, discussing the future of space. Who was on the panel with you?
Yes, we've just had a really interesting panel discussion. We had Pamela Melroy, a NASA astronaut, but actually now the Deputy Administrator for NASA. We had Rebecca Evenden, Director of UK Space. We had Josef Asbacher, who's the ESA, European Space Agency Director General. Alice Bunn from UK Space, who represents industry. And myself. We're talking with Paul Bate, who's the CEO of the UK Space Agency. And yeah, we've been talking all about where the UK space sector is going, but where the international space sector is going as well. A hugely exciting few years ahead. We're really on the cusp of a new era of space exploration.
So when we look at the for the UK space sector, what are some of the challenges then, looking to what that future really looks like?
Well, really, the challenges are which programs are we going to invest in the short term in order to grow our space economy for the medium and the long term. We want to have a 10% share of the space market by 2030, and we have some amazing innovative companies which we can see around here in the space zone that are looking to do that. Be that from things like on-orbit servicing, debris removal, a launch capability. Here in the UK, we're going to see that in the next couple of months from Spaceport Cornwall, followed by a vertical launch from Scotland later next year. So some really exciting times, and we've got some great innovative companies here with technology, and it's a case of how do we support them, how do we give them the investment they need, how do we grow the skills workforce so that they can actually grow and thrive in the future.
And what does the opportunity for the UK look like when it comes to the space sector?
There's huge opportunity because things are moving at a fast pace. We have some brilliant engineers, brilliant scientists here in the UK, and we are very, very well placed to capture a huge part of this commercial space market. So it's very exciting.
Now, as I said, it was a very busy session. You had lots of audience participation at the end. What were some of the points that were raised that you answered ably?
Well, of course, we're talking about some really pertinent points, things like sustainability of space, things like space debris awareness and debris removal, about how we can use the science of space for the benefit of everybody down here on Earth. What's it going to look like in 20 years' time? We're already using space without even knowing it every time you pull out your smartphone. And so it was looking at, where are we moving to as an economy, as a society, and how important space is going to be, to us, and how we can protect that and how we can enable it to grow.
Tim, thank you very much for your time. Great ambassador for UK Space.
Thanks very much. Great talking to you.
Thank you. And for the latest, of course, on everything aerospace, find it all at wearefin.com.